Hey people, so this is one of these very strange videos one makes because today, for the first time in my more than 3 decades on this planet, we got home a Christmas tree, and that's my little kid playing. He's now doing his own thing. But truly, people, I mean, something as simple as decorating a Christmas tree can give one so much of happiness. It's like, I don't know, I feel like a child myself right now. So this feels so good, people. So it was part of my New Year resolution that this year, no matter what, which like be it a Hindu festival, Christian festival, even I love making like I try making biryani when I'm at my place for some Muslim festival. So because joy goes beyond all religions. So take a look at that Christmas tree, and I think it's beautiful. So on that note, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.